paradise, where every moment is crafted for memories. Welcome to G Place Resort Villa ZQ, your gateway to an unforgettable getaway. Nestled in the heart of San Simon, Pampanga, Villa ZQ offers the perfect blend of modern luxury and natural beauty. Perfect for any event from cozy gatherings to larger celebrations. Every splash tells a story, every moment a memory waiting to be made. Surrounded by nature, designed for serenity. As the day fades, the pool transforms, bathed in soft, glowing light, a perfect spot to gather, unwind, and let the evening unfold. Step into total comfort in our 4 fully air-conditioned rooms. Each comes with a TV ready for Netflix. Just relax and unwind. Embrace stunning views from your private balcony, the perfect spot to unwind with a morning coffee or relax with a glass of wine at sunset. Breathe in the fresh air and feel the stress melt away as you immerse yourself in the serene beauty of nature. Stay connected with free high-speed Wi-Fi, so whether it's work or play, you're all set. Love cooking with friends or family? Our fully air-conditioned kitchen is at your service, perfect for any culinary adventure. Fire up the griller and make it a barbecue night. There's nothing like great food under the open sky. Let the good times roll with our Karaoke machine. And for the musicians, yes, we have a drum set. Keep the fun going indoors with billiards, darts, and table tennis. There's always something to enjoy at Villa ZQ. Choose from a diverse menu of refreshing beverages. Whether you prefer a chilled beer, a delightful mocktail, or a signature drink, we've got you covered. Ready to create your own unforgettable experience? Book your stay today at G Place Resort Villa ZQ, and let the adventure begin.